In a quiet kitchen, a couple stumbles over a miscommunication and chooses a deliberate reset instead of blame. They share a brief feeling, then commit to one action to avoid the trigger while the other listens fully. The room relaxes as trust reappears through small, consistent choices that honor each person's needs. At the timer's ring, they celebrate progress and plan a quick future check-in to keep accountability gentle. This tiny routine proves emotional safety grows from patient pauses that transform conflicts into opportunities for deeper connection.